What's up, YouTube?
Place called Great Gully. Might trip and die here in a few seconds.
Doesn't notice.
But here we go. Waterfall is coming up on our leftist core.
Cause my heart can't take it anymore.
There's a frog.
Dive.
Actually, I'll wear it, but
I'm just gonna go.
look at you. Are you ready?
No.
Jack's gonna go test the limits for us real quick. I'm excited.
Matt, no. Matt, it's freezing. Oh! It's so cold. Oh! Oh! It's definitely deep enough. I don't have to go any further.
All right, let's do it.
Going in, going in.
Woo!
Oh, yeah. Oh, it feels great.
Oh my god, it goes so steep. It goes so steep.
I'm here. Come join me. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, this is great. Look at the waterfall.
Is there any rocks here?
Oh shit!
Alright, how are we feeling about this experience so far? I'm happy. This is fun.
I'm loving this right now.
Cold. So go under. I feel no emotions besides cold.
I think it's recording. Okay. Oh, it's that is a tragedy.
I'm going up.
He's jumping!
Oh, it's your turn.
I'm going up.
Matt, are you going off the top rope?
He's going up.
3, 2, 1. Yeah. He's a man now. Right there.
Baptize me. How?
Get baptized.
I'm a man now.
Go in.
Ready?
He's a man now.
All right, here we go.
Onward.
Now you're fine, I think. Found a way up. Okay, we're on this river here, and we're taking a stroll. We gotta try and catch a crayfish or a salamander or a frog. They live in this. There's some cliffs up here we can jump off of too. Guys, we come across our first obstacle. The tree is down.
I'll swing on that.
Jack's gonna die.
Oh, yeah.
I do it! I do it! I called it, ladies and gentlemen. Predicted the future. Oh, twigs! Ow. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to because the path ends. So it looks like we're going in. It ain't that deep, Javier. It ain't that deep. A mushroom.
Fucking virus.
Oh, it's deep. Well, how am I supposed to know? I have electronics in this backpack.
Please. Okay, you need to.
I gotta get out of this water. Yes, going in. Climbing the waterfall. Oh! Ah! I was dry. Bro, I can't walk in this. I got electronics, bro. Bro, I got electronics in this thing. I can't be doing that. He made it. Here we go.
In there.
Oh yeah. 3 times that man's fallen. Jack just fell for the 4th time, bro. So what did I just miss? He just died. Woo!
There's so much stuff.
Well, maybe because someone was carrying the towel. Now we're not carrying a towel. He's going deep. I can't afford to fall. So I have all our phones and electronics.
Right there.
Wait, you catching something?
Right there.
Up here. There's a frog. A wild frog.
It's almost like frogs.
Where'd it go? It's gone. Okay. We ran out of path. So looks like we're trudging through the waters. Oh, trudging through the waters like men.
Land.
I'm still cold.
I've laid eyes on it. There it is. Feast your eyes. We found the end. Jack's running. I don't know if you can jump off that, but I don't know. We'll find out. Now, of course, I got all the electronics, so if I fall, we're done for. Holy shit. Oh, wait. What the? Oh, shit. There is nowhere to climb. You gotta go up the log.
I think you have to climb up the log.
You gotta
I'm
go
not
up the
doing
log.
that. And then we'll start walking back, but I ain't jumping. Now let's take a shower in the middle.
Look at Jack! I'm over a waterfall! Well, we made it! I believe I found the way up. I just gotta scale this somehow. I think I found the way up. Oh, it's slick. It's slick. Yo, you can't. No, it's too slippery. You can't.
Man, Ryan does not want me to jump off, bro.
Unless Javier goes up.
No way off. Can't get off it.
You're gonna hug it and climb.
I personally wouldn't.
I'm not doing that. Sadly, we cannot get up there anymore, so that's Fat L hiking back. Yeah. Hell, I can't show this on YouTube, so I'll get a strike. Matt, you're gonna fall, bro. He's up.
Holy I don't know. Yo, it's crazy up here though. I can't believe I climbed up this. Holy
How do you get down?
Run away. Leave him here.
Leave him.
Bye guys. Oh, wait, hold up. Wait, someone check down there. I might jump there.
He either has to jump off that or start a new life. That's your best bet. Just do a cannonball. Right there. Like right here. Oh my.
Yeah!
Was it good?
Was it
I hit
good?
the bottom, but yeah!
Be careful. We got an expert mountain climber. He's actually making it.
Did I not tell him?
I know.
Did I not tell him?
He's got it. Actually made it up there. He made it up there.
I guess we'll know if he's alive when he comes out.
Well, we don't see him anymore. That's the problem. He's gone. Oh, he made it! Matt, give him a place.
Travis Scott! It's Travis Scott! He's alive!
You can't get any lower. He's alive!
They're gone, dude. They're gone.
Ow.
You jumped down with them? Yes!
Wait, let me check the video. We just found Javier's goggles. I'm not sure where they are. The goggles. Goggles came in clutch. We found Javier's glasses. Woo! We made it. We're alive.